The i-skaB project aims to revolutionize fuel cell production by developing fully automated production processes. Currently, fuel cell production is predominantly manual, limiting the output to a few fuel cell stacks per day. The goal of the project is to increase annual production by 20 times, from 25,000 to over 500,000 fuel cells per year on a single production line in the medium term. The project consortium comprises 5 industrial companies and 2 research partners. By pooling their expertise, the consortium aims to enable the industrialization and scaling of fuel cell production, which requires the development of new and innovative production technologies. The focus will be on optimizing, testing, and validating all key technologies involved in the production processes within a 3-year project period. One crucial aspect of the project is the implementation of fast optical quality assurance using cutting-edge computer vision approaches and 3D measurements techniques such as digital holography. This will allow for efficient and accurate inspection of fuel components, including bipolar plates and membrane electrode assemblies. By incorporating these advanced quality assurance measures, the project aims to ensure the reliability and performance of fuel cells produced through the automated production process. The i-skaB project, specifically the sub-project titled Development, Construction and Testing of a Digital Holographic Measuring System for Quality Assurance of Fuel Cell Components, is financially supported by the Federal Ministry for Digital Affairs and Transport under the funding code 03B11033C. The project is sponsored by Forschungszentrum Jülich GmbH, which plays a pivotal role in overseeing the project's execution and coordination. In summary, the i-skaB project seeks to revolutionize fuel cell production by automating the manufacturing processes and significantly increasing the annual production capacity. By leveraging advanced technologies such as computer vision and digital holography, the project aims to ensure high-quality fuel cell components through efficient and precise quality assurance measures. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.